The zipper has to be reconnected with the teeth. I'm going to be using a pair of locking pliers and a slot-headed screwdriver. What I'm going to do is I'm going to expand the opening of the zipper to enable the teeth to go into the zipper, which will repair it. Okay, so I'm going to be using the locking pliers to hold it in place. Okay, now I have a grip on it. Now I can expand it. So all you got to do is just twist, like so. Make sure to get a tight grip on it. Okay, now remove the pliers. Now you can insert the teeth in the zipper. Make sure it's all the way down. Now you have to squeeze this closed. I'm going to be using the pliers. Make sure the teeth are held inside as you pinch this closed. So you get both sides. You see this side and this side. While holding the teeth in. There you go. The zipper is fixed. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.